Hey, Mark Nelson from MarkNelsonOnline.com. Today I'm going to talk to you about 7 ways for you to make money at home. Before I get there, if you're brand new to this channel, just head down, hit that subscribe button, then go over and hit that bell so you get notifications whenever I put a video up, because I really help you out with some great tips. Let's talk about how you can make money from home. And I'm going to give you 7 ways. Okay, the first one, right, is you can have your own YouTube channel. Now, I'm not going to say this is easy, but you have to be consistent. And over consistent and given time, you can build yourself a YouTube channel and have a bunch of subscribers, and you can start making money every month. The key is consistency, and the key is putting out great value. Always a learning curve, right? But you can do that. The second one, and talking about creating content, you could have your own blog, or you can do blogging. See, and the same thing goes with blogging. It's going to take a little period for people to get to know you. But when you do a great blog and put out great content, people come over and finding out where you're at. Now, I have my own blog at MarkNelsonOnline.com. I have my own YouTube channel that you're watching right now, and when I get done posting a YouTube video, I'll go over and I'll write a blog post and put it on my blog. So I kind of get it out in different ways. When I make a YouTube video, I'll also email it to my list. I want to syndicate it. I want to get it out so people see it. And I want to build my subscriber list. That's all part of it. Now, let's say you do have a YouTube channel and you do have a blogging channel. Then you can become an affiliate marketer. Now, what an affiliate marketer is are people out there that make products. And there's systems where you can get on, like one is JVZoo. I belong to a different community called MLSP, and I can sell products made by other people. And as I build up a know, like, and trust, guess what? People do buy products from me. And again, it doesn't happen overnight. You got to build up that know, like, and trust. And one of the best ways is to shoot videos. The fourth one is make your own products. Man, this is huge if you can do this one. And I just made a very own product of myself that's doing extremely well. It's all talking about 27 scripts to help people close. And it's only $7. See, you can do that. If I can do that, you can do that. So, the first 4, right? Make your own YouTube channel. Put out your own blog. Become an affiliate marketer. Sell other people's products. And then sell your products. Now, right along with this, if you're a writer, right now, my background is math. Now, I do write, and I do write well. But many people that do have blogs will pay people to write blog posts for them. And one of the best places for you to be there is a place called Upworks. And what Upworks does, people will go out there and they'll search people and they will find somebody who likes to write, somebody who likes to do maybe graphics, and they'll hire them to outsource work for them. Unbelievable way for you to make some extra money if you like to write. You just have to get your name out there and become known that you like to write, and then people will start asking you to write their blogs for them. Another thing is people are online marketers, right? They don't have time to do a lot of things. So what they like to do is hire social media managers. People post for them, right? And I know there's some apps that will do this to it, but really people like other people posting for them. They'll post on Facebook, post on Twitter, post on Instagram, and really take care of their social media stuff. And not only people are online, but businesses hire people to do this. Anybody else that's looking for a way to make a contribution in social media. The next one, and this has nothing to do with online marketing, but I love animals. You can become a pet sitter. In fact, my wife did this one summer, is she became a dog walker. And it wasn't for a lot of people, but for 2 or 3 people, she'd walk their dog every day when they're at work, and she got to make a little bit of extra money. Now, is it easy? No. Somebody else's dog, right? But guess what? She could do it from home. So there's other ways that you can do this. to make money online. But these are the first 7 that, one, I do, except I don't do the dog walking. And what I've done is shown other people how to do them. So in bringing them all back to memory, I forgot the word I was going to say. One is build your own YouTube channel. And it's easier than you think. You just make videos on your phone, upload them to your YouTube channel, and it works. You can get a bunch of subscribers and soon can be making money from advertising. Become a blogger. Have your own blog posts. With those 2, you can become an affiliate marketer, selling other people's products. Make your own products to sell. I mean, that is huge. You can make your own products to sell. Become a freelance writer if you like to write. I said before, I am a math person, so I could do math tutoring, but I'd rather do other things. Become a social media manager. That works really well. And the last one is be a pet sitter. My wife and I have a standard poodle, great dog, but we don't need anybody to watch our dog because we work from home. Hey, I have a great free PDF on the 6 daily steps, 6 daily activities you should be doing to build your own home business. I'll put that link in the description below. All you have to do is click on it, go get your free PDF, and then start making money on your own. So those are your 7 ways to make money from home. Hope you enjoyed that. We will talk again soon. Bye.